This is Chef Shay, and today we're going to be doing lemon raspberry muffins with a nice glaze. And we're going to be using DivineKuizine's Apple Fritter mix. So this mix is all purpose. It's not really just apple. You make apple fritters with it or donuts with it, but it has everything in it that you can make other things like muffins, like some cakes that you've seen. Like I made an apple pie cake with this before. So you can make different things. So it's an all-purpose kind of baking flour. At the same time, we do have it where you can make apple fritters. So today we're only gonna have to use this for our dry ingredients, the apple fritter mix, and then we'll have some wet ingredients. And what comes in this, the glaze will be in here, and also the flour will be in here. So we'll just have to use like eggs and milk and some other things, just like when you make the apple fritter donuts. Okay, so we're gonna use 2 eggs. These are our wet ingredients. We have a cup of milk. We're gonna do a half of a lemon and some lemon zest. And we also have a half a cup of, I'm using grapeseed oil, but you could use vegetable oil if you need to. So these are all of our wet ingredients that we'll be using. So this is some zest. Put a little zest. We want a little lemony. This is probably about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of lemon zest that we're gonna put in here. Okay, then we're gonna just whisk. All of our wet ingredients will combine together. We've already done our wet ingredients, so now we're gonna get ready to do our dry ingredients, which we're gonna be using DivineKuizine's Apple Fritter Mix, which is 2 cups because we need 2 cups of the Apple Fritter Mix. And there's 2 cups in here of this mix. Like I said, everything you're gonna need is gonna be in this nice all-purpose baking mix, apple fritter mix, okay? Okay, so now we're gonna put our dry ingredients. So we have 2 cups of apple fritter mix. And then we're going to start stirring and whisking our wet ingredients in together. See how easy this is, guys? Easy peasy. Easy peasy. And then I have my muffin tins that I will put it in. Okay, now it's mixed. I'm gonna fold in the raspberries. So now we have fresh raspberries, but you can use frozen raspberries or whatever you would like to do. But I have fresh here, so I'm just gonna fold them into our mix. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Now we're gonna go ahead and put these in the muffin tins, and we're gonna bake it at 400 degrees for about 15 to 16 minutes. I forgot to say we needed 1/4 cup of sugar. My bad, y'all. Because the apple fritter mix is sweetened, but for these muffins, we need about a little more sweetener in them. All right, and now we're gonna put them in the muffin tins. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to put these in the oven at 400 degrees. Okay. We're gonna do that for about 16 minutes. Lemon raspberry muffins. We're gonna wait for them to cool down, and then we're gonna ice them with the lemon glaze frosting, or not frosting, but like a little glaze on top of the muffins. So we're gonna let them cool probably for about 2 minutes, just to cool for about 2 minutes, and then we'll come back and glaze them. And then you take it and go like this. The first one is looking cray. I put too much on them. Okay, so there you have it. Lemon raspberry muffins made with DivineKuizine's Apple Fritter mix. We've glazed it. Everything was in the bag except the wet ingredients and a little bit of sugar. So now I'm gonna go in for the taste. Okay, y'all, so I'm ready to go in for the taste that we used our Apple Fritter mix to make these lemon raspberry muffins. So I'm excited. They're still kind of warm. Got my little gold tape, guy. You know, I was thinking I was too loud with the gold tape. Nice and moist, y'all. Y'all can see that. It's nice and moist.